we're out on another one. We're at the Maverick down in Saratoga, and we're headed to Soldier Pass for a full-size Chevy. It looked like he tried to drive on a motorcycle trail.
Yeah, I did. Went
So,
to single track real quick.
Exactly. This is a customer, and he had a little adventure and went the wrong side of gravity. So we're gonna go pull him back out. We got the blue diesel. We're headed to my sister Adina's right after for a baptism. So yeah, that's why Ben's dressed all fancy.
Yeah, it's not Sunday this time, it's Saturday.
Yeah, I brought my church clothes. I'm just gonna change when I get there, assuming we have time.
Yeah, we'll see.
So yeah, come join us. Should be a fun one. We're gonna follow the customer out there, and then they're gonna jump in with us when the road turns to dirt and bad, and yeah, should be a fun one. Hopefully entertaining enough for you guys.
We have an issue with a pin drop too. The Apple pin that he took wasn't coming up. I could see on the map where it was, and so I just found the same spot on Google Maps and put the location there and turned mine on. But then after getting here and talking with the customer, he sent the coordinates to Caleb. So we'll compare the two and see which ones, if they're the same or how accurate it is, which one's closer.
Yeah, we'll see. He said the one he sent me isn't exact, but
Yeah.
we'll see.
We're about
Somebody threw some garbage out. Let me go.
We're
grab
about
that real
3
quick.
minutes away. The customer is going to park their car up where the trail is still nice, and then I'll jump in the back and he'll ride in here while we go get it. Do you have another GoPro out, or should I
how
grab
to get there from here? So where we went over this hill and it took us to the bottom of it. Well, obviously we're not gonna do that right now. So when we walked out of it, there's like just like this little pathway if you just go straight into there, and then there's only really one road. It's like kind of like this red dirt road in a sense, and if you just take it down, you'll just see the car at the that point.
Sounds good.
If you have any questions, just wave us and we'll come out.
Are you gonna just stay here?
No, I'm gonna come with.
Oh, okay.
This thing's caged. Nice.
Yeah, sorry, my
I
truck is a
do not
mess.
care. No worries.
We so we actually just cut the roof off of it
Really? Nice.
and put this roof on and re-welded it up and caged.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, we're in transition.
Yeah, yeah.
Those are some big zip ties. Go left just a little bit. Driver! Because your right front tire is right into a tree. You gotta go left about 2 inches. Right there. No, right. You can turn to the right again. You're past the tree. You're not. Okay, it looks like right front might have a rock in front of it. I can't see it from here.
Into the tree over here, Ben.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a huge rock right here.
Okay. Yeah, I can't see that from here.
All right.
Kind of tight. Oh yeah, there it is. That's I was hanging them up. Good sized rock.
wipe him off of the back of the truck.
So yeah, well, once you see this, I'm not sure if I should keep going straight if I can get back on that single track, keep like at least a tire on some of that harder dirt up there. I'm 2-wheel drive also, by the way, so I don't know what I was thinking going down this way. Couldn't find a good place to turn around. I'm like, keep going, I'll have a chance. Did not. But yeah, I don't know, even turning around, there's this hill, a little hill, I don't know if I'll be able to make it up.
Yeah, we'll take a look when we get there and make that decision. He's got his CV axles out, rebuilding them, and he said he didn't bolt the hubs together with anything.
Ooh, that means the wheel bearings can come apart.
Yeah, so a little worried about that. So we don't want to take him out the way we came in.
No.
But if we go out just through this one little dip right there, then we can turn right and go up on the top of that hill, and then it's an easy road all the way out. So I'm thinking we just turn him around. What do you think?
If we can get it backed up over there like where you are, and then nose down that way.
Well, if we hook basically from there to like the lower control arm, as long as we keep it out of that tree,
Yeah,
I think we could just pull the nose around.
that's what I'd be worried about, is the rear sliding down, because it doesn't have any power with the front tires to help it climb up and around. So we'd have to leave it in neutral so that the rear
Well,
doesn't slide.
it's that, or we can either snatch block or just drive over here.
Some of those are pretty thick that we could probably snatch block just fine off of them.
I could face right through here. This one's real thick at the base. We could snatch block right to here through the trees. And then we could just hook to his frame and just go forward and back and just pull him all the way up.
Just walk it back up here.
Or I guess we could just hook to the front and just pull it straight uphill, huh? If we wanted to turn him around there.
Yeah, we could probably do that.
Found a treasure.
Just aim right at this one, and probably good even there. So we'll go right around the base of that one there, and then go to the lower control arm and start pulling that up this way. Then we should be able to turn this around and hook to it and just pull it up through.
There we go.
Sweet. Tree saver.
In that one.
In that one. There we go.
Like this.
You're doing great.
So I think we should go in the middle at least to bring the rear up away from the tree.
Just walk the entire thing straight up.
Yeah, well, it's gonna pull it back because we're not, that's straight up.
Well,
So we'll pull back here,
yeah,
and then once the rear's up, then we can hook it to the front if we want to.
or we can pull it and back it up there, and then nose it around.
Yeah. I think we should have gone to this tree, Ben.
Yep, probably switch. All you'd have to do is turn your bells up a bit. Or, put the rear end down this.
Okay, see if you can turn passenger and drive forward at all. use the winch as a pendulum. Keep going forward. Okay. Now you're not coming forward at all. Turn driver and back up. Okay. Okay, now try forward again. Let the rear just swing around. Okay, hold on. Okay, Ben, we can't put too much pressure on it this way.
Okay.
He doesn't have the factory frame hooks. Feels good.
Got our Trailmator Yankum off rope, 10-foot kinetic rope. This one's good for tight spots when you got to turn and get both vehicles around corners, like where these trees are. Because if you use a long rope, by the time the first vehicle goes through and around a corner, it drags the back one into the trees. So we use short ones for when we've got to do a lot of tight maneuvering. That's where these 10-footers really come in.
Do you have any forward movement?
A little bit, but not a lot. That's good.
So we're gonna try to go around that tree. He's not gonna fit well in between them, but it's gonna be real hard.
It's gonna be
Pulling out of those.
real hard. Give it a try.
Okay.
See what we have to do.
Oh yeah. Stay on that tree. Nice.
That worked beautifully.
Okay. Well, let's all pile in and take a nice quick ride out.
Yep.
Are you gonna drive it out?
Yeah,
He's gonna drive it all the way out.
Okay.
We're just gonna leave it hooked up
Okay.
and until we're like on the top of that hill
Okay.
and everything's easy.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
yeah, you guys can split. You both jump in with me, whatever you prefer.
Do you have very far to go to get this home?
I live in Orem, so not, I mean, hour drive, but.
I'm just worried about those wheel bearings.
Oh, yeah. I know.
The
They've been
CV axles are what hold the bearings together.
Yeah, they've been out for a while.
That's a little bit concerning.
Okay.
Guys, make sure you say thank you to our awesome camera, not cameraman, camera woman.
Camera woman.
All right. Well, it's down, it's on the road. We'll give him one final warning about the wheel bearings because I'm pretty worried about that. And then we got a jet to the baptism. So thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoyed it. Guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you for the save.
So one quick question. Was it harder or easier than you thought?
The save?
Yeah,
You guys made it easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's what we do.
Thank
Great
you.
work.
Very good work.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.